What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Awesome pump for Gala. Where the Gala haters at now? Smash that like button if you were never a Gala hater and you were a believer. Through thick and thin, through owners suing each other, we're still here. So we're sitting at 0.05077, up 20% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, we've seen a beautiful pump of 50% in the last month. 181% only in crypto. My average price is 0.033 for my largest investment. So happy to see the climb above 3 cents. So we're seeing market cap 1.85 billion, 24-hour volume 777 million. Now for Gala, I do think 60 to 70 cents is very possible. $1 would be incredible, but I'm expecting at least in between 60 to 70 cents. I could be wrong. We'll have to see how it plays out. So, yeah, we started to do a little bit of a parabolic move here, overextended wave 3. So usually the max extension is 425%, but if it pushes higher than that, we just have to adjust the wave count. So 1, 2, pushing up into 3. We've already pushed above the 261.8, but if we can continue to push here, just look for a potential pullback. Nothing is promised in between 0.058 and 0.06611. If we pop over to the weekly chart at the bear market low, everyone thinks this is just a corrective 3-wave move. But if you come down to the 4-hour, you can count a 5-wave move with a short wave 3. It hit the minimum target and extended wave 5. So wave 1 off the bear market low. Wave 2 pullback. As you can see, we're just about to print the bullish cross on the weekly chart, which is the buy and go to the beach signal. If you ever watch Coins Kid, on the weekly chart, when you have that bullish cross, it usually is a huge signal for the start of the bull market. And when it crosses again, that's the end of the bull market. So you can see the 20 EMA about to cross the blue line, which is a 55 EMA. So you have your wave 1 up, wave 2. If you take a fib extension from the bear market low, top of the wave 1, bottom of the wave 2, that's going to take you right up to your, oh, this can be pulled down a little bit more. That's going to take you right up to your wave 3 target, all the way up at 13 cents, pull back into 4, push up into 5. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. As you can see, our major resistance zones are 0.05 to 0.06, and then you're looking to push all the way up in between 0.07 to 0.08 for our friend Gala. Beautiful big double bottom. So once you break that neckline, I can give you guys a quick technical target. This is the weekly chart. Take it to the neckline, and it will give you a target all the way up at a beautiful 16 cents. We're in multiple trades. Some of them have already hit their take profits. If you want access to my private group, it's completely for free, as well as you can see my investments when I'm selling. All you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. Literally take you 30 seconds. No KYC, no VPN. All around the world, one of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. When you sign up through my link, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades and your fees. Once you sign up, takes 30 seconds, send me an email, and you get completely free access not only to my daily crypto analysis for many, many projects, my exact crypto trade setups, my Forex signals. You can see what coins I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, as well as one of our members is posting trade signals all day long. Where's he at? Bro, where's your trades? There you go. All links down below. Take 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, send me an email, you're good to go, and you get access for life. You really can't beat it. Really the best offer on the internet. I could charge $50, $100, but I just want to help you reach financial freedom. All links down below. Smash up the like button. Subscribe if you're new. There goes my phone. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.